How many rounds are there? What questions are being asked? So hello everyone, my name is Monica Pamar, and as you all know that I'm a flight attendant, that's the reason I'm being asked these questions very often. So I've made a very simple and a short video for you to understand the same. Do watch it till the end. Well, the first round is the introduction. They simply say, tell me about yourself. Now here you have to remember that you have to keep it brief and relevant. Make sure you emphasize on the skills that are important for being a flight attendant, like having good communication skills, a good team worker, problem solving. So be confident. Have a smile on your face throughout. Okay, let me give you an example. Good morning, my name is Monica Pawar. I'm from Delhi. I have 2 years of experience in service industry. I'm known for staying calm under pressure and I love meeting new people and traveling. I'm very excited to join BlaBla Airlines and bring my skills to your team. Thank you. Now, make sure it should look natural, not that you've memorized something and you're just saying it out. Well, the next round is the GD round, group discussion. One very important tip here is that make sure you know everything about the company, because usually the questions are related to the company, or they can give you any topic. So it can happen in two ways. They can give you a topic and ask you to speak, or they'll make groups and ask you to have a discussion about the topic. Now here they'll observe you, how are you being with others, how are you responding, are you just interrupting, or are you not a good listener. So even if you're disagreeing with someone, as it is a group discussion, you may not just directly say that no, I don't think so. You can say that I do agree, or I do partially agree with you, however this can also be the reason, or blah blah thing. So it can happen in two ways. Just have a good knowledge about the company and be confident. Again, do not forget your smile. It's very important. Just keep smiling throughout. Whatever you are saying, just keep smiling. Have the smile like E on your face throughout. Throughout. The moment you enter the place till the time you're leaving. This should not go anywhere. Congratulations. You have cleared the second round. Now the third round is going to be one-on-one. Usually it's with the VP of the company, or it can be with someone else from the higher management. Obviously, they're going to ask you about the introduction, so they'll say, tell me about yourself. Another very commonly asked question is, they can say that why do you want to join Air India? Why not Indigo if you're going for Air India? So here, make sure that you have a good knowledge about the company so that you can talk about it, that this is the reason I want to join Air India, not Indigo. Also, make sure to not talk anything negative about any other company. Do not end up saying that Indigo is bad. No, nothing negative. And do not forget to have your beautiful smile on the face. Keep smiling throughout. Remember that they have your resume. If you mentioned something, they're going to ask from that. For example, if you've written that I'm a good team worker, so they can say, can you give me an example where you were a good team worker to achieve a certain goal? So now here again, you have to be very relevant. For example, as you've mentioned that I have 2 years of experience in service industry. So you can say that in my previous company, we had a lot of guests on a very busy day and we were very short on staff. Just by, staying calm and supporting each other, having a good communication, we were able to manage all of them very nicely and we could satisfy each one of them. So just be calm, have good communication skills, keep smiling. And all the best if you're going for the interview in the near future. If you have any more doubts, you can just ask me in the comments below. I'll be very happy to help. Bye-bye.